Hey guys, it's James again with Peakway Software, and it's been a while. So this is going to be the third devlog of our devlog series. I'm sure some of you have noticed that it's been a couple weeks since we've uploaded, so that means we're not going to be doing these weekly anymore. We've basically decided to do this because we want each video to have more content and be more interesting. That way you enjoy watching it more, rather than putting out a video every week where there's barely any significant updates on a weekly basis. So I'm sure, as you can see now from the gameplay that I'm showing you, we started to actually add in like gameplay, and we started doing third person and first person, and we've also added a bunch of new architectural environmental pieces to really change up the way the game looks. And so this is really like a big update compared to everything we've had to this point. And we've also added health and stamina bars, and we've also got keys that work with doors. We have an inventory system. We've started to lay down the foundation for our action set system. And so right now all this composes of is adding levers and assigning the levers to doors, and so you can open up doors with levers. But this is what's really going to turn into the big game changer, because you'll be eventually allowed to create your own quests and do all the NPC commands and stuff through this system eventually. So along with the inventory, we've started to implement the food system. And so our food system doesn't actually kill anyone, like it won't kill your character, but what it does is it replenishes your stamina. So your stamina, your max stamina itself, will go down over time. So when you eat, it increases your max stamina back to your full potential. That way your character can sprint and attack and do more. So along with all the other gameplay stuff we've done a ton of new architectural stuff. So we've basically got like 100 new pieces to add variations on buildings, and just from anything from like wall sets to curved walls. Now we have curved staircases. We've got new fences and like new roof pieces. And so all this stuff gives us the opportunity to create like, castles and like fancy buildings, and also like poor houses, because we've got multiple different brick types now. We can also like dig in tunnels into buildings. So like now it's starting to get to the point where we can actually make some pretty cool environments as far as like cities go, instead of just having the same like very similar buildings pasted next to each other. So this has just been a really good update in general, and we're pretty excited going forward. This has really been a momentum thing for us, getting us motivated to keep going. So this build is not available on our website yet. We're going to do a little bit more bug testing, and so hopefully we'll have this build that you're seeing now up next week on our website, where you can download it and check it out. So be sure to either sign up for the website, keep up with our Facebook or our Twitter to keep in touch with when that's going to be out. But that's pretty much it for this update. So like I said before, we're not doing this weekly anymore. So next update, hopefully within 3 weeks to a month, will be a combat update where we'll be able to start going around and killing things. So if you've made it this far in the video, thanks for hanging around, and thanks for being interested in our game. And hopefully we'll see you next time.